Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen that how we can render list, and we have also seen that how we can render list conditionally also. So for that we made this conditional rendering function, and here we specify if length is 0 then the list would be empty, otherwise we will have the list to render. So program is okay, no problem at all, but we have one problem here. The problem is, if you see, the output is no problem at all, but if we will see in the inspection and we try to debug this application, we will see that one error is coming. Each child in a list should have a unique key property. This is the warning that your application is okay, but it is not optimized. Why? What is the problem? Problem is that there are so many values in a list that we are rendering here, but problem is that if I add one more value here in this list, then React will check this list with the virtual DOM also. Remember that we have two types of DOM, virtual DOM and original normal HTML or JavaScript DOM. So whenever we update a value here, it match with the actual DOM. So if there is no unique key is available here, then totally these all the list will render again. Remember, if there is no uniquely identified, if each and every item is not uniquely identified here, then React will render the whole list again. So if the list is so long and big, thousands of elements are there, you can imagine that each and every time whenever you modify this list, the whole list will render again, because React do not know which key have a which particular unique value. That's why this React is giving you a warning that this each child means each and every item in this list should be uniquely identified by using key property. So key is a reserved property that we have to pass here to identify this as a unique element. So for that, what we can do in this program, if we see, we have an array, and in this array we do not have a uniquely identified property, but we know that each and every array having an index property 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each and every item have an index. So we may use index for this. So how we can solve this? You see that here with the info in a map, I can pass here index. Remember this? And here in li, I set key equal to index. So here I will pass the index in a render like this. So this value will come here, and I just print this value here also to identify that this is a unique value. I print this value here also, that will explain you that this index have a some value. So I just save it, and you see the output here. Now we have this key, and I refresh it, and you see the error is gone. In console we do not have any error, and you see that it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all these are mapped with their index value. So here we have learned that if we have an array and we are getting an error that each child in a list should be uniquely identified with some key, then we may use index value of array and we may pass this index value in this arrow function with the information in a map, and we can specify this as a key to this li, and we can display it here also just for checking. I can remove it now because no need of this. And if now I save and run it again, you see again we have a list, but we do not have this error again. In console we do not have this error again, no warning is there. That means now if I add some new value in this list, only the new item will render, the whole list will remain the same. So by that way you can make your web page render fast. Your website will run fast if you are using a list this way. So this was the example of rendering a list with an index value. That's all in this video. I think you learned something from this video. If really you learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.